Hey Bitcoin traders, come close. There's an interesting update I would like us to discuss. Bitcoin printed an interesting bull flag and also a symmetric triangle. Let's dive straight in to understand these developments and activities. In this Bitcoin technical analysis, around 13th of March, Bitcoin did an interesting all-time high around $74,000 approximately. And since then, we have been expecting Bitcoin will push up high, but that's not the case. Bitcoin has been trading on a downtrend, creating a bull flag. You can see after this highest high, this is low high, low high. After this high low, Bitcoin has been creating low, 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 a downtrend formation, making it a bull flag. But in our previous video where I showed you guys this new high low, which could be a potential trend reversal, not only high low, there's an interesting support. At this point, at this region, Bitcoin created this high low. Also, Bitcoin printed a meso-symmetric triangle, and this symmetric triangle is an interesting development. It will help us to know if this Bitcoin bull flag will continue toward the upside or if this Bitcoin bull flag will get rejected. In this Bitcoin technical analysis, two things will play out. If Bitcoin moves straight toward the upside, this upper part of this symmetric triangle will experience a break, and also we will experience another break of this trend that started from the 13th of March. Once we confirm two breaks, one on top of this symmetric triangle, and after the break of this downtrend formation, and we confirm it's a healthy break, Bitcoin will be experiencing an interesting move towards the upside. The second scenario, if Bitcoin downtrend will continue, this meso downtrend formation, we will experience this support, we will experience a break of this support, and down part of this symmetric triangle, we will experience another break. Once we confirm the break around this region, this symmetric triangle, this down part of this symmetric triangle, it will be a continuation pattern towards the downside and a potential bull flag rejection. I won't be engaging on this trade until I confirm which way Bitcoin is going. If Bitcoin is going toward the upside, I will confirm two breaks towards the upside. If Bitcoin is going towards the downside, short entry, I will confirm a break around this region, this support and this down part of this symmetric triangle. Let's check Bitcoin liquidity. It will help us to understand what Bitcoin is doing. This is Bitcoin liquidity. As you can see in this Bitcoin liquidity chart, Bitcoin have grabbed this liquidity that have been piling up a few days ago, around $63,300. And Bitcoin is having more potential toward the upside. It's an interesting update. Inside this Bitcoin technical analysis, we may experience a more push towards the upside around the upper part of this symmetric triangle, hopefully, but it's not an interesting trade entry. We need to confirm if Bitcoin long entry is valid or if we are to short. These scenarios must play out before I will take any trade decision. Let's check total crypto market cap. It will help us to take a better trade decision and have confidence while trading. This is total crypto market cap. This total crypto market cap helps to understand the entire crypto movement. As you can see, around the same 13th of March 2024, total crypto market cap did an interesting all-time high around $2.67 trillion. And since then, total crypto market cap has been trading on a downtrend, forming low, 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 low. After this last high low, this is low, 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 low. In our previous video where I discussed this total crypto market cap, I showed you guys this interesting high low, which could be a potential trend reversal and also a symmetric triangle. Now, if this symmetric triangle happens to break towards the upside and also this trend happens to break, we will experience all total crypto, including other altcoins, we will experience an interesting bull run. But if this symmetric triangle happens to break towards the downside, we will experience a massive crash. As we can see, this technical analysis of total crypto market cap tried to break towards the upside, but it did not break completely. This is a fake out. That's why I marked it with a yellow dot. It faked out this break of the symmetric triangle, managed to find its way inside the symmetric triangle region, and this pattern is still in play. We need to wait and confirm If this symmetric triangle happens to break towards the upside, you see this trend and this trend will form another symmetric triangle. You will confirm another break around this region. If this happens, we will experience a new bull run, a second bull run in this 2024. If we see a rejection around this side and the break did not happen, and total crypto market can happen to break this trend, this new trend it's created after this last low. If we experience a rejection around this region and this trend happens to break, we will experience a massive crash. Hopefully, one must play out. Another thing we need to observe, there's a two break towards the down part. This is one, this mesosymmetric triangle, and look at a macrosymmetric triangle. Look at the upper part of this triangle here. Look at the down part of this triangle. And the mesosymmetric triangle is still in play. Once we confirm a break, we will wait for the macro symmetric triangle. Once we confirm these activities, it will help us to understand which way the market is going, if the second bull rally will continue, or if this is a bearish trend. This is my take on Bitcoin. Make sure to do your own research. It will help you to trade with confidence and stay profitable.